back, he gets stuck.
Oh, there we go.
You gotta climb up. Sometimes you gotta help him up. Most of the time you don't.
Oh my God. You see that?
When he comes down, you gotta help him up.
That bug just climbed up.
Oh my God, you sick.
He's like, how do I get up there?
I told you to leave good alone with that. Look.
What? Look, he's like, how do I get up there? I don't know. He's got a fat roll right there.
He probably didn't need help getting down. Like, he'll just plop, he'll jump down.
There he goes.
Oh, see, look. Oh my God, he help. Okay. Sometimes he needs help. His butt's so big. His butt's so big, you have to push his butt up to give him food. I remember when I came back again, he was hanging there by his little hand.
Is there water in that?
Yep.
Are you serving?
How do I move so heavy? Oh, yeah, there's
Big.
Oh, well, I'm sorry, Mr. Bill. Sorry, Mr. Bill.
Where's my coffee?
I don't know. He took it away.
Look at little Gigi laying down, Louie.
Yeah, no, someone. Watch you laying down.
Show to Grandma and Grandpa.
She's so good for
Is it because she's fat?
No, I love that.
Is it because she's fat she's laying
Hey.
down?
Did you see him?
So your
jump
other
on my
pictures
right
are
here?
saved on your camera?
Looks on
Yeah.
the very bottom,
Let me see
too.
the back of yours again.
He's a grizzly bear and he's on a crazy
I love your camera. Yours is prettier than mine.
Yours is prettier than mine.
You like mine better?
No, I like mine
Mine's
better.
right.
Well, then why did you just say yours? Hers is a lot thinner. I love her camera.
Look, he'll jump. He busted his butt on the corner of
It
that.
doesn't bother me either.
He jumped from right here, look. He jumped from right here, climbed like right there, and then jumped all the way up there.
What?
Yeah, and he busted his stomach on the corner of that.
Oh no, it doesn't hurt him. His butt takes the impact. Oh, if it hurt him, he wouldn't be doing it. He'd be normally.
And then he backed up for his big booty cheeks and then squeezing through the page.
I made sure there was water, man.
He is the sweetest little thing.
I think he's trying to go sleep now.
He probably is. He's nocturnal. He's up all night and he sleeps during the day.
Oh God, that means he's gonna be in my room freaking running on that wheel with his fat butt every night.
He's different, though. Look, he stays up during the day too. He only goes to sleep.
Grandma's gonna make you look pretty in that shirt, Mommy.
She is.
Yeah.
He'll be asleep when we come. He'll be asleep when we leave. From when we leave to when we get back. He'll wake
I'm gonna
up.
put a little extra.
He'll wake up when we're about to go to the wheel all night.
Joey! Move your butt, Bean. I can't get Joey in the film. I'm gonna show Grandpa and Grandma this.
I got these pops.
Well, do you know anything about him? Yeah, he is. You feel like a hurry up because I want to tell you.
I gotta fill up his food bowl.
Again?
No, I just want to make sure he has extra food.
He does. Look how much food he has.
He's got food aborted in there, baby. Don't give him
You didn't know he eats whole blocks of food.
Yeah, but he hides it.
Pick up those worms, Cameron.
Why do you keep singing it?
That's me.
Oh, it sounds like Gigi.
Mine's daddy in the bathroom.
What kind of food is that in the Waffle House waffles?
Gigi.
Oh goodness, I'll live you no matter what. Even if Mr. Weebles takes your place.
Gigi.
My time to shine out.
You got everything.
Oh, the world, the life
Yeah, no. No, you leave connected.
Yeah,
You got enough tomorrow morning. I told you last night, don't remember? I thought you were taking us to see Robin and everything else. Joey. Why are you gonna put your dirty stuff on that t-shirt? That's